Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at our regular expressions module. So alright, we're going to look and see how to grab dollar amounts, including cents. So alright, I'm going to have this linked below, or down in the comments, so you can just look at it. So alright. Well, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. What we do is we build on one subject at a time. So, alright, so we know how to look for numbers. And let's see. Let's just go and start. Let's close this out. And because we're going to have to learn how to deal with some special characters because, well, I don't want to ruin it. But if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the bottom. So, whoa, this, I can't read that. Can you read that? So, all right, let's add a plus. So, okay, we're getting warm, but is this a number or is this a dollar sign? So let's learn about our escape, or let's remind ourselves about our escape character. Remember when we had backslashes in when we were like our in, if we wanted a tab, we had to escape. We had the backslash, we had a tab, we had a new line, or if we wanted a backslash in there, we had to give backslash. And so, all right, same thing, same uniform with our digit here. We're going to give a dollar sign. Okay, let's just keep building. All right, we're getting warm, but after this is saying it has a decimal. Okay, we're getting warmer, and then let's get greedy because we know it's going to have 2 digits, or be looking for 2 digits, and lo and behold, here we are, $349.99 and $39.99 for our TV and microwave. So all right, real quick video today, but this is how you handle special characters for dollar amounts. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time. Don't want you to miss anything. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests. I know I'm not perfect. The comments and the requests you guys give almost always lead to another video, and that helps somebody else. So if you have a question, somebody else more than likely has that same question, especially on the internet, and we have a huge audience. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.